Hi guys. So we have yet another interesting question before us. Usually some students may have some difficulty in trying to interpret what has been asked for us to be done. Okay. For example, required to prove what CBD are collinear. First of all, I need to explain what all is given, right? So two circles, this is circle 1, this is circle 2, intersect at 2 points A and B. A is here, B is here. The two circles, as is apparent, they intersect at these 2 points, right? Now something more they have given, AC and AD. They're talking about AC and AD are nothing but diameters of the circles. Okay, respectively. So for circle 1, AC is the diameter. For circle 2, AD is the diameter, right? So what is diameter? Diameter is, okay, that chord or that line which passes through the center of the circles, right? So having said that, let's get back to what CBD or collinear is what we are asked to prove. Collinear means, okay, if there are points, okay, like this, a line can be drawn, okay, across these 3 points. So such points which lie on a straight line are said to be collinear by nature. All right. Now, how do we proceed? Certain indications I have already given in the figure, which is making a broken line, okay, of AB being attached. All right. So, first thing in construction, we write join AB, correct? So, why do we do so? Okay, why do we join AB? Because if this was supposed to be the center, say O, and let this be O dash, correct? Now this is circle 1 and this is circle 2. Let this be circle, okay, C dash. Since, okay, this is the diameter, and in this circle an angle is subtended by means of the semicircle, then the angle made, okay, is always equals to 90 degrees. Similarly, in this, AC is supposed to be the diameter and B is the point where it touches the circumference. So AC, the diameter, subtends a 90 degrees at point B. Okay, now I'm going to give you the details now. This was a verbal explanation. Since we have 90 degrees here and 90 degrees here, they sum up to 180 degrees, and you cannot think of a line that will be not in a straight line if it has an angle of 180 degrees, okay, at any point on it. So should we go ahead? So let's go ahead. So having done the construction which is shown over here, we can easily write that since AC and AD are, okay, diameters, ठीक है, of their circles, we know that angle ABC, okay, will be equal to 90 degrees in the first circle, okay, in circle 1, okay, and angle ABD equals to 90 degrees in circle dash. Now adding angle AB plus angle ABC, we have 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, which will be equal to 180 degrees. All right. So ABD plus angle ABC, we get equals to 180 degrees. Correct? Now, the reason behind this is that, okay, we have, let me write the reason. The reason is angles in semicircles is right angles. Correct? So here we have both these two angles, okay, sum up to 180 degrees. So having said that, we automatically know that, okay, the point CBD, okay, CBD is a straight line, and therefore, okay, as per this, points C, B and D are collinear by nature. So this is not rocket science, it's very, very simple. The only property that we use is this being a diameter, it will subtend at 90 degrees, okay, when it subtends an angle, okay, on the circumference. The same applies here. Now since this is the semicircle, so other than this arc, wherever the diameter subtends, it will make a 90 degrees, okay, and it will do the same that side, but since this is in the focus, okay, we will consider this equals to 90 degrees and the same here. Correct? Now, having said that, we have been able to prove, so we'll say hence proved. I hope it is clear, guys. So in case there is any doubt, so do write to me in the comment section. I shall take over the topic once again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have understood. Bye bye. Have a great day.